People share stories with me all the time that they've had an ukulele sitting in their closet for years and years and years and they've never taken it out. So take that ukulele out of the closet, let's play some music. I started playing the ukulele when I was 4 years old. I remember the first time I picked it up and played it, I was just overwhelmed with this joy. Till this day, every time I pick up my ukulele and play, I mean, it's that same joy. There's something about this instrument that brings out this childlike quality in everyone, and who doesn't want to feel like a kid again, right? And I promise you, if you have a couple fingers to spare and you know how to count, you will learn how to play this instrument. Oh, that sounds so good. I love that. The beautiful thing about the ukulele lies in its simplicity. You have 4 strings, you have 2 octaves to work with, and that's it. Just take your finger and put it in the bottom left-hand corner like that, you know, and that's your first chord. It's a C7 chord. And then all you do is you jump up a string, and that's your F chord. And with that, you can play hundreds of songs. I mean, literally hundreds of songs. Utilizing a tremolo technique can be difficult, but it can give you that illusion of the note sustaining over a chord or for a duration of time. There's a magical thing that happens when you're holding an instrument and connecting with it and making a sound that's like therapy for me. Music, I think, has the power to truly shape who we are. And I hope that people will discover through this masterclass that the ukulele is not just a tool to make music, but it's something that can be life-changing. Aloha, I'm Jake Shimabukuro, and this is my masterclass.